Hi, I'm Dr. Clinton from Tier 1 Veterinary Medical Center, and I'm here with my lab, Zoe, to talk about a question I get asked a lot. How do I find a good breeder? So the first thing that I always recommend when you're looking for a breeder is to look for a breeder that has done all the health testing that is appropriate for the breed you're interested in. So for labs like Zoe that are prone to hip and elbow problems, you want to make sure that they've been x-rayed for those conditions prior to breeding. For other breeds like Dobermans and Boxers that are prone to heart conditions, you want to make sure that they have been examined by a cardiologist. They also have some great genetic tests that they can do now for things like heart conditions in those breeds. If you're not sure what health testing should be done for the breed you're interested in, you can always start with the AKC website, or the Orthopedic Foundation for Animals has a great list of breeds and all of the health testing that they recommend for each breed. The next thing that I always recommend is look for a breeder that has had all the puppies examined by a veterinarian. So they're looking for any kind of congenital problems such as a heart murmur or a hernia that might come up down the road. So you want to make sure that all the puppies are healthy and that they've been vaccinated. The last thing I always recommend is talking to the breeder about their breed. So making sure that they know what kind of situation you have at home. Are you looking for a really active dog? Are you looking for a couch potato like Zoe? There can be a big difference even just within breeds. So some labs are bred for hunting and they're very active all the time, and they might not be appropriate for a busy family or someone who's in an apartment. And then you have labs like my Zoe here that can just stay on the couch all day. So obviously doing all the health testing and exams and vaccines can add up. So if you're looking for a really good breeder, you also have to be aware that their puppies are probably going to cost more. And if cost is an issue, then I would highly recommend looking into a rescue dog, because there are so many amazing adoptable animals at the shelter that are going to be affordable, and they're probably going to have less health problems than a poorly bred dog, instead of making that investment for a well-bred dog. And always, if you have any questions or need help, feel free to ask your veterinarian. Thanks.